A warm welcome to my channel. Well friends, in today's video we will be discussing about a particular stock that has recently announced is 5:1 split. Now what 5:1 means is for every share that you hold for this company until that record date, that share will be split into 5 times. Like, so if you have one share, it will become 5. If you have two shares, it will become 10. If you have 100 shares, it becomes 500. So that is why I have written 50 shares will become 250. So whatever number of shares you have till record date, which the company has decided as 19th of April, what does that mean? We will explain in this video. So stay tuned and you will get all the informations. So shareholding will be 5 times and split के बारे में पूरी जानकारी, as I've said, I'll be giving you all the information that is needed. Now let's go to the company which I am talking about. So I'll take you to one of the websites of the circular that the company has produced. So this is basically the BSC website, and the company name that you can see on the screen is Sharda Motor Industries Limited. At this point of time, it's trading at approximately 2000 rupees. So I will show you with an example what exactly is going to happen before and after split, so that you have a clear idea. So company is trading at 2000 rupees, and the circular that company published, company clearly mentioned that the subdivision of each equity share of face value of 10 each into 5 equity shares of face value 2. So if you have a share of face value 10, that is going to be 5 shares of face value 2, because the share price is going to be divided by 5, because number of times your share increases, but the share price also divides by 5, and along with that the face value of that company. The face value is very important, because as I've told in all my previous videos, face value decides how much dividend in future you're going to get. So face value in bonus remains same, but in split face value is also splits along with the price. So price will become 1/5 and face value will also become 1/5. So from 10 face value will become 2. So what the record date means is April 19th is record date. That means people who are into the company's books till 19th April, that means अगर 19 अप्रैल तक आप कंपनी के बुक्स में हो, आपका नाम कंपनी के शेयर होल्डर्स के लिस्ट में है, यू विल बी एलिजिबल फॉर दिस स्प्लिट. सो योर अकाउंट विल बी टेकन इनटू कंसिडरेशन एंड यू विल गेट दिस एक्स्ट्रा शेयर्स. अगर आप 19 के बाद शेयर्स बाई करते हो, सो यू विल एक्चुअली बी गेटिंग द शेयर्स एट द एक्स डेट. तो स्प्लिट होने के बाद में जो न्यू प्राइस है, उस प्राइस पे आप शेयर्स बाई कर सकते हो. लेकिन अगर 19 से पहले तक आपने होल्ड करके रखा हुआ है, तो 19 तारीख को आप देखोगे कि आपके शेयर्स 5 टाइम्स हो गए हैं. Now let's go and see what exactly is going to happen with a practical example. So the ratio decided is 5:1. That means for every one share you will get 5 shares. So it's like it becomes 1:5, right? So let's assume the example of Sharda, and the price I'm considering is approximately 2000 for easy calculation. So before split share price is 2000. Before split number of shares, assume that you have 10 shares. So the investment that you have in the company is 20,000 rupees. Now suppose the company is giving dividend at 100% of face value. So face value is 10 rupees. So 100% of 10 rupees is 10. So you have 10 shares in your holding. So the dividend that you get before split is 10 into 10, that is 100 rupees. Now what after split? So after split what happens is the share price will be 1/5, but number of shares will be 5 times, right? So share price from 2000 it becomes 1/5. So share price reduces to 400. Number of shares increases by 5 times. So you had 10 shares before, now you have 50 shares now. But what is the investment? Just calculate 50 into 400, it becomes 20,000. So exactly the same investment. So investment amount is not going to change, because the share price is reducing by 5 times, but the number of shares is getting multiplied by 5 times. So it becomes actually null and void. Now let's see what happens to the dividend that you would be getting after split. So after split there will be no change. You will still get the same dividend that you used to get, because now your face value has become from 10 to it becomes 2, because face value is also reduced by 1/5, and number of shares in as per your split is 50 now. So 50 into 2 is 100. So before split you used to get 100 rupees dividend with 20,000 investment. Now you have the same 100 rupees dividend with again 20,000 investment. So friends, I hope I have been able to clear you what exactly is going to happen after the split takes place. So if you are interested, if you want to participate, and if you want to see how this things happens, just buy one share before 19th of April. So you will see how this takes place. But if you think that this particular share is expensive at 2000 rupees and you want to buy when it becomes 400 rupees, then you have to wait till 19th. After 19th, you will see that the share is trading at an X split price, which is close to 400 rupees. See, it becomes 2000 as we are speaking. So it will be trading at 400 rupees. So if you think that it's like pretty much which you can afford, then you can take your position at that point of time. Thank you so much, friends, for being with me and listening to this video till end. If you like this content, do give it a like and do share with your friends and colleagues, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Keep supporting as you have always done, because your subscription is very important for this channel to grow, and also it encourages me to work on different videos, create videos and upload them on a timely manner. And if you also like to follow me on social network, Twitter, Telegram, description is there. Twitter, Telegram links are there in the description. And also I have my personal Telegram channel wherein I keep publishing here and there share tips and also market news and stuffs like that. You can search the channel name Kubirpedia and Telegram. There is a channel with 800 plus members. You can join that. And also, if you want to participate and see what are the trades I'm taking, my personal trades, follow my personal investments and stuffs like that, so there is a number, my private number I've given. Do WhatsApp me and I'll share all the instructions. Thank you so much, and I'll be back with something information and something useful as soon as possible. Take care.